Hi, it's Paul from Derivan, and today in the studio we're going to create a painting that's using some gel medium and some open medium and some structure paint. Now, it's really in a two-part process, so we have sped this up a bit and there is some drying time in the in-between. So let's get to it. So what we've got here is a piece of primed canvas. And I'm using some gel medium and some Australian sienna, and we're just laying down a base colour which we're going to let completely dry before we do anything else on top. So it's gel medium, bit of Australian sienna, and there we go. So once that has fully dried, we're going to use some structure and some open medium to create some really special effects on top. So the open medium is an important part of this, which we'll see later. So here we've just got some Australian red violet and some magenta now, a dioxine purple, and finally some phthalo blue. Now what I'm going to do is first of all coat the whole of that original surface. Just working around it. Just fill in roughly all the areas. Remember, adding open medium as we go. Most important. Now once that is all covered, the beauty of the open medium is, look, we can drag things back out, we can push it around, we can use a brush and squash it here and there, we can turn the brush over and draw back into it. We can make fine lines, we can make soft lines. Now this is only achievable if we use the open medium. If that had been pure paint, it would have gone off by this stage. So the open medium lets the paint become workable for a longer period of time. And this is really very dependent on how hot it is, and more importantly the humidity, because this will affect the drying time, but you do have a couple of hours. We created this in Sydney in the middle of summer where it's quite hot and quite humid. This enabled the painting to stay quite wet for about 4 to 5 hours. This will vary depending on the temperature and depending on the humidity. But look at the results. In the end, we get these wonderful passages of opaque, transparent, and translucent colour.